Welcome to the Generative AI Prompt Engineering course. This program is designed for learners who are eager to understand and master the art of crafting effective prompts for generative AI models. Over the span of several weeks, participants will explore foundational concepts, practical techniques, and real-world applications. The course is suitable for professionals, students, and enthusiasts with a basic understanding of artificial intelligence and computer science. Prior experience with AI tools is helpful but not required. By the end of the course, you will be able to design, refine, and evaluate prompts to achieve optimal results from generative AI systems. Key learning objectives include understanding prompt structures, experimenting with different approaches, and analyzing model outputs for continuous improvement. This course is organized into 6 distinct modules, each designed to build upon the previous one. The journey begins with foundational concepts, ensuring that all learners have a solid understanding of the basics. As you progress, each module introduces more advanced topics, gradually expanding your skills and knowledge. The structure is carefully sequenced to support a logical learning path, making complex ideas accessible step by step. By the time you reach the final module, you will be prepared to undertake a comprehensive capstone project. This culminating experience allows you to apply everything you've learned in a practical, real-world scenario. Throughout the course, the progression is intentional, guiding you from core principles to hands-on mastery. In this module, we begin by exploring the foundations of prompt engineering. Prompts serve as the essential instructions that guide generative AI models, shaping their outputs and capabilities. Understanding the different types of models, such as large language models and image generators, is crucial for effective prompt design. We also examine the ethical considerations involved in using generative AI, including issues of bias, transparency, and responsible deployment. By mastering these core concepts, learners will be prepared to craft prompts that are both effective and ethical, setting the stage for deeper exploration in subsequent modules. Prompts play a crucial role in shaping the responses generated by AI models. Even minor changes in wording can lead to dramatically different outputs, highlighting the importance of thoughtful prompt design. For example, asking a model to summarize the article versus highlight the key points can yield distinct results in both detail and focus. Through practical comparison exercises, users can observe firsthand how variations in phrasing influence the quality, tone, and relevance of the answers. Understanding these nuances empowers users to communicate more effectively with AI, ensuring that the responses align with their specific needs and intentions. Artificial intelligence models come in various types, each designed for specific tasks. Large language models, or LLMs, excel at generating and understanding text, while image and audio generators create visual or sound content from prompts. When interacting with these models, messages can be categorized as either system or user messages. System messages set the context or rules, and user messages provide instructions or queries. Key parameters like temperature influence how creative or focused the model's responses are, and tokens determine the length and complexity of generated outputs. Understanding these basic concepts helps users navigate and utilize AI tools more effectively. Ethics and safety are crucial considerations in prompt engineering. One major concern is bias, where prompts may inadvertently reinforce stereotypes or produce unfair outcomes. Hallucination, another issue, refers to AI generating false or misleading information, which can undermine trust and accuracy. Privacy must also be protected, ensuring that sensitive data is not exposed or mishandled through AI interactions. There is the risk of misuse, where prompt engineering could be leveraged for malicious purposes, such as spreading misinformation or manipulating users. To address these challenges, basic mitigation strategies include thorough prompt testing, regular audits for bias, implementing safeguards against hallucination, and establishing clear guidelines for responsible use. By prioritizing these measures, prompt engineering can be conducted more ethically and safely. In this module, we explore essential techniques for crafting effective prompts. Clarity and specificity are foundational principles, ensuring that instructions are easily understood and leave little room for ambiguity. Priming involves providing context or examples to guide the AI's responses in a desired direction. Role prompting assigns a particular persona or expertise to the AI, shaping its tone and perspective. Few-shot prompting uses a handful of examples to demonstrate the expected format or style, helping the AI generate more relevant outputs. Finally, system messages set overarching guidelines or boundaries for the AI's behavior throughout an interaction. Together, these techniques empower users to communicate with AI systems more efficiently and achieve better results. Crafting clear and specific prompts is essential for achieving accurate and relevant responses from AI systems. Begin by stating explicit instructions that leave little room for ambiguity, ensuring the AI understands exactly what is required. Specify the desired format, such as bullet points, paragraphs, or structured data, to guide the output. Indicate the preferred tone, whether formal, conversational, or neutral, to match the intended audience or purpose. Additionally, include any constraints, such as word limits or prohibited content, to further refine the response. By combining these elements, you create prompts that lead to more predictable and useful results. Priming and role-play are effective techniques for shaping the style and knowledge scope of AI models. By assigning specific roles or personas, such as a historian or a technical expert, the model can tailor its responses to fit the desired context. Exercises that compare outputs from different roles help illustrate how the model adapts its language, tone, and information depth. This approach not only enhances versatility, but also provides valuable insights into the model's capabilities and limitations. Through systematic role-play scenarios, users can better understand how prompts influence AI behavior and output quality. Few-shot prompting is a technique in which carefully chosen examples are provided to an AI model to influence its responses. By demonstrating the desired output format or style through these examples, users can guide the model to produce more accurate or relevant results. However, there are trade-offs to consider. Selecting effective examples requires thoughtful curation, and too many examples can overwhelm the model or reduce its flexibility. Practical exercises often involve transforming text by showing the model how to rewrite, summarize, or reformat content based on sample inputs and outputs. This approach helps users achieve consistent results while exploring the boundaries of the model's capabilities. Instruction tuning is a process that refines how AI models respond to specific prompts by training them on curated examples of desired behavior. This approach helps models better understand and follow user instructions, resulting in more accurate and context-aware outputs. System messages serve as an additional layer of guidance, allowing developers to set persistent instructions that shape the model's behavior throughout a session. By combining instruction tuning with system messages, it becomes possible to maintain consistent responses and align the model's outputs with particular goals or requirements. This strategy is especially valuable for applications where reliability and adherence to guidelines are crucial. Together, these techniques enhance the model's ability to deliver tailored and predictable interactions over time. In this module, we explore advanced patterns that enhance the capabilities of AI systems. Chain-of-thought reasoning allows models to break down complex problems into manageable steps, improving accuracy and interpretability. Prompt chaining involves linking multiple prompts together, enabling more sophisticated interactions and multi-stage workflows. Retrieval-Augmented Generation combines the power of generative models with external information sources, ensuring responses are both relevant and up-to-date. Finally, we examine evaluation strategies that help measure the effectiveness and reliability of these advanced techniques, guiding further refinement and deployment. To help models tackle complex tasks, researchers employ step-by-step reasoning techniques such as chain of thought and decomposition patterns. Chain of thought encourages the model to articulate its reasoning process, breaking down the problem into a sequence of logical steps. Decomposition further assists by dividing a challenging task into smaller, more manageable components. These strategies not only improve accuracy, but also enhance the interpretability of model outputs. By guiding models through structured reasoning, we enable them to solve problems that require multi-stage thinking and nuanced understanding. Prompt chaining is a technique where complex tasks are divided into a sequence of smaller prompts, each building upon the previous response. This approach allows for more precise control over the workflow and can improve the accuracy of the final output. Additionally, integrating external tools, such as calculators or databases, can further enhance the capabilities of AI systems. By combining prompt chaining with tool use, users can tackle multifaceted problems that require step-by-step reasoning or access to specialized resources. This method is especially valuable in scenarios where a single prompt may not suffice to address all aspects of a task. Ultimately, prompt chaining and tool integration enable more sophisticated and efficient solutions in AI-driven workflows. Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, is a technique designed to enhance the factual accuracy of AI-generated content. By incorporating external documents into the model's context, RAG allows the system to reference up-to-date and relevant information during the generation process. This approach helps mitigate common issues such as outdated knowledge or hallucinated facts. The model retrieves pertinent documents from a database or the internet, then uses these sources to inform its responses. As a result, the generated output is more reliable and grounded in real-world data. RAG is particularly useful in domains where accuracy and current information are critical, such as healthcare, law, or scientific research. Evaluating the outputs of AI-generated prompts is a critical step in ensuring their reliability and usefulness. Common metrics used in this process include accuracy, which measures how closely the output matches the intended result, and faithfulness, which assesses whether the information provided is truthful and consistent with source material. Human rubrics are also employed to capture nuances that automated metrics might miss, such as clarity and relevance. Through targeted exercises, participants can learn to design their own evaluation frameworks, tailoring metrics to specific use cases and objectives. This approach not only improves the quality of prompt outputs, but also fosters a deeper understanding of effective evaluation practices. In this module, we explore the practical aspects of prompt engineering. Building and managing prompt libraries allows teams to organize and reuse effective prompts, streamlining workflows and improving consistency. Rigorous testing and iterative refinement are essential to enhance prompt performance and ensure reliable outputs. Cost optimization strategies help balance quality and efficiency, especially when working with large-scale models. Governance practices, including version control and access management, safeguard prompt integrity and support compliance. By mastering these elements, organizations can maximize the value of their AI systems while maintaining control and adaptability. Developing prompt templates is essential for maintaining consistency and efficiency in AI-driven projects. By structuring prompts for reuse, teams can quickly adapt them to different scenarios without starting from scratch each time. Versioning allows for tracking changes and improvements, ensuring that the most effective prompts are always available. Parameterization adds flexibility, enabling users to customize prompts with specific variables or data inputs. Practical exercises often involve creating a base template, then modifying it to suit various tasks or objectives. Through hands-on practice, users learn how to manage prompt libraries, update versions, and apply parameters to achieve desired outcomes. This approach streamlines workflow and enhances the reliability of prompt engineering. Testing and refining prompts is a crucial part of optimizing AI systems. A/B testing allows developers to compare different prompt versions, measuring which one yields better results. Logging interactions provides valuable data for analysis, helping to identify patterns and areas for improvement. Evaluating cost and latency trade-offs ensures that the chosen prompts not only perform well, but also remain efficient and scalable. By systematically analyzing these factors, teams can make informed decisions that balance quality, speed, and resource usage. This iterative approach leads to more reliable and effective AI-driven solutions. Optimizing prompt economy involves several key strategies. By shortening examples, we reduce the amount of information the model needs to process, which can lead to faster and more efficient responses. Utilizing embeddings allows us to represent information in a compact, meaningful way, improving both retrieval and relevance. Balancing few-shot learning with retrieval-based approaches helps ensure that the model has access to both general patterns and specific, contextually relevant data. This combination enables more precise and resource-efficient outputs, ultimately enhancing the overall performance of AI systems. Effective prompt governance and security are essential for maintaining the integrity of AI systems. Access control ensures that only authorized users can interact with sensitive prompts, reducing the risk of misuse. Red teaming involves simulating attacks to identify vulnerabilities and strengthen defenses. Privacy protection measures safeguard user data, ensuring compliance with regulations and building trust among stakeholders. Cost management strategies help organizations optimize resource allocation and prevent unnecessary expenditures. Together, these elements create a robust framework that supports safe, responsible, and efficient AI operations. In this module, we explore the advanced techniques of multimodal and specialized prompting. Multimodal prompting involves interacting with AI systems using inputs beyond text, such as images and audio. By crafting effective image prompts, users can guide models to generate detailed descriptions, analyze visual content, or even create new visuals. Audio prompts enable tasks like transcription, sound classification, and voice synthesis. Specialized prompting also extends to code, where structured instructions help generate, debug, or explain programming tasks. Additionally, working with structured data prompts allows for efficient analysis and transformation of tables, spreadsheets, and databases. Mastering these techniques unlocks a wider range of capabilities, making AI tools more versatile and powerful across different domains. Creating effective image generation prompts involves careful consideration of several key elements. The subject should be clearly defined, specifying what you want to appear in the image. Style choices, such as realism, impressionism, or cartoon, help guide the visual tone and mood. Composition refers to the arrangement of objects, perspectives, and lighting, which can dramatically influence the final result. Negative prompts are equally important, as they instruct the generator on what to exclude, ensuring unwanted features are omitted. Practical exercises, such as writing prompts for different scenarios and refining them based on output, can help build skill and confidence. By thoughtfully combining these aspects, you can achieve more precise and satisfying image results. When prompting an AI for code generation, it is important to clearly specify the desired programming language and its version. This ensures that the generated code is compatible with your project requirements and environment. Additionally, requesting explanations alongside the code can help clarify its functionality and design choices, making it easier to understand and maintain. Including unit tests in your prompt is a valuable practice, as it allows you to verify the correctness of the code and catch potential errors early. By combining these elements, language specification, code generation, explanations, and unit tests, you can obtain more reliable and informative results from AI-powered coding tools. Ensuring that outputs are consistently structured, such as in JSON format, is essential for reliable data exchange between systems. Validating these formats helps prevent errors and ensures that information can be easily parsed and understood by machines. When designing prompts for AI models, clear instructions and examples guide the generation of machine-readable responses. This approach streamlines integration with other tools and platforms, reducing the need for manual corrections. Structured outputs also support automation, making processes more efficient and scalable. In Module 6, students will embark on their Capstone Project, which serves as the culmination of the course. Several options are available for the final project, allowing students to choose a topic or format that best aligns with their interests and skills. Each project must meet specific requirements, including a clear demonstration of the concepts and techniques learned throughout the modules. The grading rubric evaluates elements such as originality, depth of analysis, technical accuracy, and overall presentation quality. Students are also expected to follow the presentation guidelines, which outline the structure, timing, and visual aids permitted. By adhering to these standards, participants can ensure their work is both comprehensive and professionally presented. Throughout the course, assessments and quizzes are designed to reinforce key concepts and measure understanding. Learners will engage in practical mini-projects, allowing them to apply their knowledge in real-world scenarios. These hands-on activities encourage deeper learning and skill development. Additionally, a peer review system is implemented for prompt evaluation, fostering collaboration and constructive feedback among participants. This approach ensures that learners not only grasp theoretical material, but also gain practical experience and insights from their peers. Prompt engineering is a crucial skill for maximizing the effectiveness of AI tools. Starter prompt templates offer a foundation for users to create clear and targeted instructions, helping to guide AI responses more accurately. These templates often include reusable examples, such as asking for summaries, comparisons, or step-by-step explanations. A cheat sheet of best practices typically recommends using concise language, specifying desired formats, and including relevant context. By following these guidelines, users can avoid ambiguity and achieve more reliable results. Effective prompts not only improve output quality, but also save time, making AI interactions smoother and more productive. When it comes to prompt engineering, a variety of tools and resources can help streamline the process and enhance results. Popular APIs like OpenAI and Anthropic provide access to advanced language models, allowing for experimentation and refinement of prompts. Libraries such as LangChain and Hugging Face transformers offer frameworks for building and testing prompt workflows. For hosting and deploying applications, platforms like Google Cloud, AWS, and Azure are commonly used, providing scalability and robust infrastructure. Additionally, datasets like the OpenAI prompt dataset and the Stanford Alpaca dataset are valuable for training and benchmarking prompt strategies. These resources collectively support the development, testing, and deployment of effective prompt engineering solutions. Ensuring reproducibility is a cornerstone of effective learning and research. Throughout the course, instructors are encouraged to emphasize the importance of prompt logging, which allows students to track their inputs and results systematically. By maintaining detailed records, students can revisit their work, identify errors, and replicate successful outcomes. Automated validation tools can further streamline this process, providing immediate feedback and highlighting inconsistencies. Instructors should guide students in integrating these practices into their workflow, fostering a culture of transparency and reliability. These strategies not only enhance individual projects, but also contribute to the broader academic community by making findings easier to verify. Verify and build upon. As the course draws to a close, it is essential to review the final deliverables checklist. Students should confirm that all assignments, projects, and assessments have been submitted according to the outlined requirements. Double-check that any group work, presentations, or supplementary materials are complete and properly formatted. Ensure that feedback from previous submissions has been addressed where applicable. By carefully following this checklist, students can be confident that they have fulfilled all necessary components for successful course completion. This thorough review helps prevent any last-minute oversights and supports a smooth transition to the next stage of their academic journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and keeps you updated with our latest content. Thanks for your support. Please tune in for our coming videos on knowledge-based content.